The word we'll be learning in this video is ibaru, which you will often hear at work, with friends, or during arguments. Imagine how much more natural your Japanese will sound when you can say things like, "Don't be so arrogant. He always brags about his new car," and "She acts like she's better than everyone," in Japanese. Let's get started. Ibaru. Ibaru. The word ibaru means to act arrogantly or to brag. When someone ibaru, they behave as if they are better than others, often speaking loudly, bossing people around, or showing off accomplishments. You can use ibaru to describe someone who is proud in an annoying way. Short definition: to act arrogantly or boast. The first kanji means authority and power. Its core image is a commanding presence or threat. You see it in igen, which means dignity. You also see it in iryoku, which means force. In those words, the kanji gives a sense of strength and influence. The second kanji means stretch and spread. It has the idea of tension or putting something tight. You see it in choryoku, which means tension. You also see it in hipparu, which means pull. In those words, the kanji shows stretching or pulling action. Is being arrogant, acts superior. Ibatteiru. Ibatteiru. To be treated arrogantly, to be bossed around. Ibarareru. Ibarareru. Act arrogantly towards subordinates, boss around subordinates. 部下に威張る。部下に威張る。Doesn't act arrogant. Doesn't show off. 威張らない。威張らない。The most common synonyms of the 威張る are 偉そうにする and 自慢する。偉そうにする is very close to 威張る and emphasizes acting as if one is above others, tone and posture. 自慢する focuses more on bragging about achievements or possessions. It can accompany 威張る, but is more about talking proudly than domineering behavior. The most common antonyms of the 威張る are 謙虚だ and 控えめだ. 謙虚だ is the direct opposite of 威張る and means being modest or unassuming. 控えめだ implies restraint and keeping a low profile. Unlike 威張る's loud or assertive display, 控えめだ shows modest behavior and limited self-expression.